Hello students, welcome back in the next online video class of physical education for class 12th. I am Upniki is providing you the online classes and I have taken these topics, these contents from the different books and different website and from the online sources. Today we are going to learn about the league tournament and we will learn how to make the fixture according to league tournament. And now let's start. Types of league tournament. In the league tournament, there are three types: cyclic method, staircase method, and tabular method. First, cyclic method. If we are doing cyclic method and we are fixing the fixture according to cyclic method, we should know something before. The number of teams, if the number of teams are even, then team 1 is fixed on the top of the right hand side. First thing. Second is teams are rotated in clockwise direction. Then the number of rounds will be n minus 1 and the number of matches will be n into n minus 1 upon 2. Right. If we have the number of teams in odd numbers, that time the bias is fixed on the top of the right hand side. Here we was putting 1 in a particular place. Here we will put the by in a particular place in the right top of the right hand side. Now teams are rotated same in the clockwise direction. The number of rounds will be n. N is same as the number of teams. Here in the even numbers n minus 1 will be there, and in the odd numbers only n. Whatever we have number of teams, that will be the number of rounds also, right? Number of matches will be n into n minus 1 upon 2. We are talking about the single league tournament, right? Okay, now procedure of fixture in cyclic method. Listen, we have even numbers now 6 and number of rounds will be 5, right? Because n minus 1. Okay, number of matches will be n into n minus 1 upon 2. It means 6 into 6 minus 1 upon 2, and 6 5s are 30 upon 2. The number of matches will be 15. Now we start the rounds. First round will start and we put the 1 in the top of the right hand side and we fix that team in that place only. Okay, now look here, and the number, we will write the number as clockwise and we rotate the other numbers clockwise. We will not rotate the team which we have fixed. Here 1 we have fixed, it will not rotate with that circle. Okay, now in the second round the 6 will rotate here, they will shift one place, right? And clockwise rotation will be there. Same in the third round, 1 will be fixed and other teams rotate. Fourth round, then fifth round. Okay, here the number of matches will be 15. We can count the, in every round we have 3 matches and we have 5 rounds. It means 5 3s are 15 matches we are having, and we are having total 5 rounds here, right? If the number of teams is in odd numbers, that time number of rounds will be same as the number of teams. It means if 5 teams are playing, then number of rounds will be 5. Number of matches will be 10, same, n into n minus 1 upon 2, and into 4 upon 2. If we solve, then it will be 10, right? In the first round we will fix the by here because now we don't have pair because we are having odd numbers of team. That time we will fix by in the top of the right hand, then we will write the other teams in the clockwise manners, right? In the next round we rotate the other teams in clockwise, and 4 5 will shift here, 4 will be here, and clockwise rotation by will be there only. Okay, with this manner we will complete our third round, fourth round, and fifth round. Here we have to know that the matches are like this: 6 with 1, 5 with 2, 4 with 3. In the second round, 5 with 1, 4 with 6, and 3 with 2. In this manner we decide the team. Every team plays with and every other team in this manner. right? Now the other method is staircase method. In staircase method, the fixture are made just like a ladder or the staircase. In this method, no buy is given to any team, and there is no problem of even and odd numbers. There is no problem if there are even number of teams or odd numbers of teams. The formula for number of rounds will be n minus 1, and the number of matches will be same as n into n minus 1 upon 2. Now the procedure of fixing a staircase method: if we have 7 teams, that time the number of rounds will be n minus 1. 7 up minus 1 is equal to 6. Then number of matches will be n into n minus 1 upon 2. It means 7 into 7 minus 1 upon 2, 21. 21 matches will be there. Now how we can decide the matches? We will keep 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 4, 1 with 5, with 6, with 7. In this manner, in the next time, we will start from the 2, because 2 is playing with 1. We will not mention that match here. We will mention 2 with 3, 2 with 4, 2 with 5, 2 with 6, 2 with 7. In the same manner, so on, we keep doing this thing. At the last, 6 will play with 7. In this manner, every team get chance to play with every other team, right? And if you count the number of matches, the number of matches will be 21. This is the best method. Whenever you are getting any doubt, that time you can count the number of matches, or you can count the number of rounds, and you can decide you have draw a good and right fixture or not. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 number of rounds we are having, right? Now in the knockout, we can see easily which team is getting victory. But in this method, the method of deciding winner in league tournament is different. Point systems will be there. The winner team, if a team wins match, that time that team will awarded with 2 points, and if the team loses match, that time they get 0 point. If there is any draw with any reason, that time each team get 1 point, right? And the teams having the maximum points is declared winner. If there is a tie between two teams, their matches is held again. We are only about talking about the final, right? Okay, now we have two methods of deciding the winner in league tournament. First is British method and another is American method, right? In the British method, the percentile of points will be total points obtained into 100 divided by total possible points. If we was suppose we are having 10 total matches, right? And if we won 6 matches, that time the total points obtained will be 6 into 2, because we won the 6 matches, and for every match we are getting 2 points. Then it will be 12 points obtained, and the total possible points mean, here the total possible points means if we have 10 matches, then we can, if we won the 10 matches, then it can be 20 points, right? So here 6 into 2, because we won 6 matches for 2 points. 12 into 100 divided by total possible point was 20 in the case of 10 number of matches, right? Next is American method. We the percentage we get the percentage by matches won into 100 divided by matches played. If same example we are having, if we are taking 10 matches example, then total matches won, if we won 7 matches, then 7 into 100 divided by the total number of matches played, 10, right? Then we can get the percentage. Now we are in the third type of tournament, which is combination tournament, and how we can decide the fixture of combination tournament. Let's see. There are 4 types of combination tournament, in which first is knockout come knockout tournament. We already discussed in the last video also, when we are having a large number of teams, then we divide the teams zone wise. In the zonal section, we can say zone A, B, 3, C and D. 4 zones will be there. That time, here the example of knockout tournament, we divided teams in the 4 zones, zone A, B, C and D. Right. If 4 teams are playing in the zone A, they will play the tournament with the knockout and they will get a winner. Same in the zone B, zone C and zone D. Then we will have winner of each zonal zone. Then they will play the main interzonal tournaments. Then if they are playing zonal tournaments with the knockout basis, then we are getting 4 winners: winner A of zone A, winner B, winner C and winner D. It means these 4 are the zonal winners. If they play match again with the knockout format, that time that kind of tournament is known as knockout tournament. Right. The next type of competition tournament is knockout cum league tournament, in which the zonal matches will based on the knockout system, and when we get 4 winners, they play group or zonal tournament on league basis. That time we will get a winner, and this type of tournament will be knockout cum league tournament, because zonal matches we are playing in knockout basis and the final rounds we are playing with the league basis, right? The next is league cum league. Whenever we are playing the zonal tournament according to the league tournament, and we get zonal winner according to league tournament, and then inter zonal tournament we are having with league basis. It means starting with league and we are finishing with league. That type of tournament is known as league cum league tournament. And the fourth and last type of competition tournament is league cum knockout tournament. In this type of tournament, we play the zonal tournament in the league basis, okay, and the intergroup or interzonal tournament we play with the knockout basis. Here we are getting the winner of zone A, B, C and D with the knockout tournament, and then again they are playing the with the oh sorry, I have little mistaken. This zonal tournament will be based on league tournament, and the final will based on the knockout tournament. This type of tournament is called league cum knockout. We can easily get the type of tournament or format of tournament by reading the name only, league cum knockout. It means first with league and the last round with the knockout tournament. Thank you so much for watching this.